Hi there everyone, this is Adventurous Papa, back with another amazing adventures. Welcome to Berastagi, Indonesia, a vibrant city filled with culture and history. In this vlog, I will be taking you on a tour of Berastagi signs and attractions, as well as exploring the delicious food and local tradition. So, let's get started! Taman Alam Lumbini is a replica of Sren Dagon Pagoda in Myanmar. This park is a part of a monastery intentionally built as a place of worship for the Buddhist community in the Karo regions. Overall, it is included in the Indonesia Record Museum as the tallest pagoda in Indonesia and is the second tallest replica in Southeast Asia. Inside the temple, there are some statues and items which are usually seen in a Mahayana temple. This Buddhist house of worship is open to the public as it has some privilege that attract visitors. There's also a beautiful garden or park next to the temple that you can take a stroll around. With its golden pagoda, this place is really great as a backdrop for taking photos. Berastagi is a highland area that is very rich in agricultural products. It is known for producing fruits and vegetables exported from the region, even to Malaysia and Singapore. Here you can shop for a variety of natural products picked directly from the residents' gardens, such as orange, passion fruits, mangosteen, strawberry, mustard green, and many more. The market has few sections: fresh food, fresh plants, and the outside of this market is souvenir shops. Though the market is small, it is clean and well organized. Some of the stalls provide sample tasting, so you can try before you buy. Outside the market, you can see quite a number of souvenir shops. This place is a popular spot for tourists where you can buy some souvenirs. And there is horse racing activity where you can rent a horse and have a tour around the market. There's also a lot of street food vendors here, so you can try local street food as well. When you're visiting Berastagi, it is incomplete if you do not try agricultural products here. Gandaling Hill offer beautiful views of the city from the height of the hills. At the top, you will have a clear view of the two volcanoes, Mountain Shibaya and Mountain Sinambun. If you want to feel the thrill of climbing a mountain, this spot is perfect for novice climber. Because the height itself is easy and not too steep, it is therefore suitable for first-time climbers. Here you can also see the Piso waterfalls. It is one of the tallest waterfalls in Indonesia. This place is really great to visit. The air around feels fresh and is a great place to relax. Street food in Berastagi is renowned for its delicious and diverse flavors. In this store and stand, vendors are busy preparing for the rich and flavorful dishes. Trying local dishes is one of the best ways to learn more about the tradition and culture of the place. As you can see, this place has some amazing views to offer. Berastagi is definitely a place worth visiting. From the breathtaking volcanoes to the unique culture and wonderful culinary delight. Thanks for joining me on this tour. I hope you enjoy exploring this amazing place. This is Adventurous Papa. See you on the next adventures.